Hello and welcome to another episode of Grandstream Video Guides. In this video, we will talk about the user portal available to the web interface of the UCM. In addition to the administrative web interface, the UCM offers a user portal that allows the UCM users to have access to their personal data and take advantage of some built-in features such as fax sending, voicemail, wake-up service, and CRM. Every time an extension is added in the UCM, a user portal for that extension is created automatically. Providing the UCM users with access to the user portal can be useful in reducing the administration overhead by allowing users to directly make basic operations and changes related to their assigned extensions. The user portal is designed to provide users with access to their personal data and a variety of other features. In addition to the user portal dashboard, which displays the status information of certain call features such as follow me, wake up service, D&D status, and call forward, the user portal allows users to access and manage their personal data such as voice messages, call recording, CDR, and fax files. Users can also access and manage their voicemail messages and customize the greetings. Changing login passwords to the user portal is also available in addition to the option to include a binding email address in case the user forgets or loses the login password. Some of the call features that a user can set up through the user portal are follow me, do not disturb, and call forwarding based on a defined schedule or a list of allowed caller ID numbers. Another nice feature included in the user portal is the option to send fax when you have a SIP or analog trunk that support fax. Now that we've had an overview of the user portal included in the Grandstream UCM 6000 series, let's log into a user portal to explore the available features in more details. To log into the user portal, the administrator needs to provide the login password for the user. First, let's log into the admin web portal and look at where the administrator can get the login password for the user. There are two configuration pages that the administrator can use to manage user login passwords. The first option is under Extensions, Configuration Page, Basic Settings, User Password. For security purposes, the password is hidden with asterisks, and the admin can use this option to change the login password for the user portal of extension 1006. The second option is available under Maintenance, User Management, and as I mentioned earlier, a user portal login credential for an extension is automatically added or created when an extension is added to the UCM. To change the login password for a specific user, we simply click on Edit and go to User Password and change the password to the desired one. Then save and apply the changes. Then we provide the users with their login password. Alright, so let's go ahead and log into a user portal. So we will use the extension number 1006 as the username and the associated login password that we just set up on the admin web portal. So once you log into the user portal, you will see this portal interface. And the basic information menu, we have user information, which displays the status of some extension call features such as voice messages, D&D, and call forward. For example, here it shows there is one unread message, and D&D is enabled for all incoming calls except from source caller ID number 1005. And it also shows call forwarding enabled for extension 1000 when there is no answer. Besides, it shows information about missed calls, follow me feature, and scheduled conferences. Personal config page allows the user to edit his or her personal information including department, fax number, email address, first name, last name, and home number. Next, the extensions page has three tabs. Basic Settings tab allows users to change the language for extension, voice prompts, and also enable SCA or shared call appearance. The Feature tab provides the user with a variety of call features to set up. For instance, the user can use this page to configure call forwarding based on status or time condition. Here, it shows that the extension has unconditional call forwarding to an external number during out-of-office time. There is also the option to enable DND based on time or source caller ID number using the DND whitelist option, which is also available for call forwarding. Ring simultaneously is also available to the user portal, and basically this option allows incoming calls to ring both the extension number, which is 1006, and an external number simultaneously. Specific time tab allows users to configure a specific time for their extension to use for time condition and their features tab. Next, we have the CDR page, which provides call details related to the extension, which is in our case extension 1006. Users can also use filter records using the display filter, and also the option to download the CDR records for the defined extension in an Excel file by clicking on Download Search Results. The Login Settings page allows users to easily change the user portal password by entering the old one already set by the administrator and setting a new one. In addition to this, a recovery email address can also be set or modified in this menu. Under Personal Data menu, we have the following submenus: Follow Me, Voicemail, Recording Files, Fax Files, Shared Call Appearance, and Video Conference. This page allows a user to configure Follow Me feature for his or her own extension. Follow Me is a very useful feature to locate a user by ringing different extensions and external numbers in a predefined order. For example, if we enable Follow Me, we will have the following scenario. An incoming call will ring extension 1006, and if the call is not answered, the UCM will forward the call to the extension 1001. If no one picks up the call on extension 1001 after 30 seconds, the UCM will forward the call to the defined external number. So if none of these numbers answers the call, we can define the default destination. For instance, we can select voicemail for extension 1006 as the final destination. The voicemail submenu provides users with an interface to manage their voice messages as well as customize their voicemail greetings. So here it shows there is a new message, and the user can listen to the voice message using the download icon or mark the voicemail as read. Voice prompt option allows users to customize their voicemail greetings by uploading a custom prompt for each greeting message. The information here includes the sound file requirements to use for voicemail greetings. For this menu, the user can find all the extension call recordings with the option to play them on the user portal interface by clicking the play button or download them to a personal computer. Under the fax files page, users can view and download all the received faxes. So this extension is not used for fax, that is why it is showing empty. The shared call appearance page displays the line status as well as remote and local calling parties information in real time. Users can also edit their shared main line to associate it with a private number. To learn more about shared call appearance, I recommend reading the administration manual of the UCM, which is available on the Grandstream website. Next, under the video conference menu, users can view the scheduled conference calls to which extension 1006 has been invited. Using the same page, a user can schedule conference call and invite other extensions and external numbers to join the conference call. So once the conference call is scheduled, it will show up among the other conference calls that are already scheduled for the extension 1006. In terms of value-added features available to the user portal, we have fax sending, call queue, wake-up service, and CRM user settings. So the fax sending option provides users with the option to send PDF or TIFF file to a destination fax number. You simply enter the destination number and upload the PDF or TIFF file to send for fax, then click on Send. The file sent progress field shows all the information about the faxes that have been sent and displays the percentage of the fax currently in progress. As members of a call queue, users can manage their calls from the user portal. The page also provides a user dashboard displaying waiting and proceeding calls. The Wake Up service is a useful tool to schedule a reminder or wake-up calls. Basically, the UCM will ring extension 1006 in our case at the predefined date and time. To schedule a wake-up call, simply click on Add, enter a name to identify the wake-up call, and select the prompt to play for that call and define the day and time for the call. As you might already know, the Grandstream UCM supports integration with some CRM solutions such as Sugar CRM and Salesforce. Once the integration is set up and configured on the admin portal, users can start using this CRM feature. The user simply needs to enter the following information such as client ID, client secret, and refresh token. Once this is set up, the login status will show whether the connection with CRM succeeds or fails. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Leave us a comment below if you have a request for any future videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all our videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.